I got a question the other day about how do I know what brand of valve do I have? Just how do I figure it out? I think they may have had a solenoid or something go wrong with the valve, and they didn't know how to figure out what kind of valve they had, what the brand was, because they didn't know which parts to go buy to go fix it. So I decided to do several videos just showing you different valves that are some of the most common. That way you've got a good kind of visual. If it looks like this, this is the brand it is. So today I'm showing you a Rain Bird DVF 1-inch sprinkler valve. Now, one of the things that you can see, most of the time you're going to be looking at the top. A Rain Bird has 6 screws that's holding on the very top, holding the diaphragm in. And then it's got this hex style, I don't know if you can tell, hex style solenoid that goes here on top. Now this particular valve's got flow control. That's what this is here on top here. Some of them are just flat and just have the bleed screw. Now if you're looking just straight down on it, it does say Rain Bird, but it is very small. It is hard to see. And if this has got a lot of mud and stuff on it, you're probably not going to be able to see that. It's easy for me. I've designed a lot of systems, installed a lot of systems. So when I just see it, I know what brand it is just because I've bought and installed a lot of these. But if you're not really sure, that's why I'm making this video. I want you to be able to see this valve. If you've got a valve that looks like this, you need to replace the diaphragm, a solenoid. This is a Rain Bird DV style valve. This one would be DVF. F stands for the flow. If you don't have flow or don't want it, I recommend buying them with flow. But if yours is just flat, it would just be a DV. And now, of course, if you're replacing the whole valve, you can get it in a slip version that you can glue a pipe straight to. You can get it in a threaded version. They have a lot of different versions of these valves. So you just want to find the one that's going to work for your situation. A lot of times, if you're just replacing a solenoid, you can buy the whole valve, take the solenoid of the new valve off, it unscrews, and you can put it into the valve there in the ground and just replace the solenoid. A lot of times you've got to buy this entire valve, and I think it's a good idea anyway. Even if you're just using the solenoid, you've still got a good diaphragm and some other parts here that you may need in the future. You've got a valve problem, go buy a new valve. You can replace everything on it. And if you've got one that looks like this, it's a Rain Bird DV valve. I put together a Solenoid Rescue Blueprint. Links in the description below. It's going to walk you through how to troubleshoot a solenoid, replace it, and get your system back working again. Go check it out. It's going to help you on your next repair.